vlog. This week's ating vlog all about top 3 celebrities kung gusto kong ma-meet or na-meet after quarantine. Subscribe na to YouTube channel at alamin kung bakit gusto mag-subscribers sooner. This is 103 vlog and episode entitled Top 3 Gabby Celebrity Favorites to Wish Meet Soon. Here's your vlog. Simulan na natin. My top 3 Gabby's favorite celebrity to wish meet soon. Number 1 is May Mendoza. Si May Mendoza ay phenomenal star who started Dub Smash Queen, who is now a Eat Bulaga host, which is currently every Monday to Saturday. Sana gusto mo ma-meet na si May Mendoza kasi yung magazine niya is Review Magazine, Yes Magazine, Cosmopolitan. Sana ma-meet na po after quarantine. Gusto ko magbawa judgmental. Sana sa Eat Bulaga. At saka as a audience, sana pag wala na pong pandemic. Okay? Si May Mendoza ay maganda, tsaka masexy, and of course, kamay at ang beautiful gender expressions. Now for the number 2 is the phenomenal volleyball star Alyssa Valdez. Valdez is one of the box office volleyball player who is in as a Cindy in Happy movie starring Glyza De Castro. And 2018, 3 years ago, punta sa Trinola for the Premier Volleyball League Grand Final. Sana na-meet na sana si Alyssa Valdez, kaya daming tao. Oh, but it's okay. Sana ma-meet na po kapag nawala na pong quarantine. Okay? At saka pandemic. Pag may vaccine na sa COVID-19. And sana po si Alyssa Valdez gusto mo mapunta sa Caloocan Sports Complex para malalaro sa PBL. Sana. Sana thank you for making sharing Miss Alyssa Valdez. And number 3, my favorite idol po, El Ocampo. He also streams now on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. El Ocampo does songs like the Love, Loved One, and Devotion song na judgmental ba po or hindi. Sana ma-meet na po right after ng quarantine. Sana bakanta na ko